Welcome back. Today is February 1st. This is my month of meh. I don't know what I'm going to do all month, but I'm going to try to film a video every day, regardless of what happens. Hopefully it's out here in the garage. It's always possible it might not be. So today's job, well, I had to clean my HVAC because it was filthy. And I jacked the Mustang up, put it on jack stands, and so as you can see, it's up in the air. My garage is a lot cleaner. I actually have a workbench with tools. So anyway, here we are in the engine bay. Now to try to figure out how to mount that header or that manifold so that things go together nicely. So this is what I had done the last time. I had taken this chunk off, and my goal is to have a turn down here so that I can turn it back up and go into the turbo flange. So here's my 2.5 inch. So I'm thinking basically something like this. I might have to make a little filler piece, but then turn it down, and I've got this little Y. I'm not sure how I'm going to clock it yet, but if we come down somehow, this has to go into the into the T4 flange. Oops, this way. Alright, so there's the bracket that this mounts up to the head, and then there's my T4 flange. There'll be an elbow off of here with my wastegate on there. Oh, my wastegate over here somewhere. I'm not sure exactly yet. And then, yeah, or maybe it's over here. I can't remember. But, yeah, we'll get her all figured out. And here we are with the turbo in its resting place. The flange is on there. So now I got to figure out location for the elbow and the wastegate and everything else. So after some thought, looks like it's easier just to take the turbo off. But this 90 obviously is too much. So I'm going to have to cut it down a little bit, change the angle, and then it looks like it might be good sort of like that. I know that's hard to see, but it kind of goes straight. So that's just going to be really, I mean, it's either that or else I bring it down. It might be better, I guess, if I bring it down and then have a longer single 3-inch pipe. Sorry, I'm trying to do 3 things at once here. I'm thinking that might be better off. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to piece this video together. But this has been the month of meh. And I don't know what to say.